Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Number 1. On dash President Ayub Khan was sworn in for a second term as president. Answer is 27 October 1958. Number 2. The first census in Pakistan was held in. Answer is 1951. Number 3. Old name of KPK was. Answer is NWFP. Number 4. When the second martial law was imposed in Pakistan. Answer is March 25, 1969. Number 5. Who enforced martial law for the second time in the country? Answer is General Yahya Khan. Number 6. Which is the national game of Pakistan? Answer is hockey. Number 7. The first general election in Pakistan were held on. Answer is December 7, 1970. Number 8. Jasmine is popularly known as. Answer is Chambeli. Number 9. Total number of seats in National Assembly of Pakistan are. Answer is 336. Number 10. Land of 5 rivers called. Answer is Punjab.